Alright everybody, today I'm at the Saigon Center. I'm going to walk to the Nguyen walking street from here, so let's check it out, man. By the way, there's a Japan festival right here at Saigon Center. So we're crossing this street, now it's a bit crowded. And there's a banh cafe at the corner which is very popular among the locals and get it at the Grab app. I just finished exploring this Saigon Center. There are many Singapore brands, Singapore retail shops. And yeah, the Nguyen walking street is just about maybe 400 meters or 300 meters. It's like about 6 to 7 minutes walk. Today is Friday, so lots of families are going there. I mean, I find that maybe the Vietnamese family, I mean, they carry the baby by hand. I think it's better. Singapore kids are too pampered. You know, every time we see the strollers in Singapore, even the kid, it's very big size, they still use a stroller, the parents. Hand carry allows the mother to exercise. And not only that, foster a stronger sense of bonding between the mother and the child. Do you guys believe actually I use some of my data for the day, 10 gig, you know. I registered for a SIM card that's give me 10 gigabyte a day to do my streaming videos and whatever. But I didn't realize I finished it until I could not live stream anymore. I could not connect my personal hotspot, so I know that's when the problem happens. So I checked my message. There's a message from Vitel. He said that I have used up all my data for the day. I was shocked, you know. But there's a little problem here because anyway, it's like the bank account. You can use your bank account to top up, right? The bank account, I'm not sure whether there's enough money to top up. Because nowadays the bank is very strict. If you want a debit card, right? Debit card to withdraw money, you must have a proof of like working here, work permit or like residence, something like that. If you are on a tourist visa, then they don't issue you a debit card. They just how do I say it? They just give you an account. If you want to deposit or withdraw, you must go to the branch and do it. And that's like before 5 p.m. If at night you need money, then you cannot go. I mean, they are not open. So you can, the other way is use your international debit and credit card to make withdrawal at the bank ATM, but there'll be a fee, I believe. I mean, not believe, but it's definitely, I've done it in the past, and the fee is quite high because you get fee from both sides, the Vietnam bank and the Singapore bank. We have arrived already. Do you see the monkey coat over there? Wow. It feels like Ted again. In Singapore, we don't have this toy. Maybe it's a good idea to sell. It's a nice panda over there. Oh yeah, the bronze man is back, man. He's standing there and then to ask for donations. But this one is like another person, not the one. Last time was like gold color. Alright everybody, today is Friday night. I'm at the Nguyen walking street right now, and in front is the People's Committee and Lê Thanh Tông and the Ho Chi Minh statue, and then the nice lotus flower fountain. You know, there's some kind of a mascot activity over there, the panda bear, there's a bronze statue, and then the tourist bus. There's something new, they call it the Saigon City Heritage Tour. 145,000 for one adult, and I'm here, I just crossed the street. So this is the Nguyen walking street. People walk here, relax, and maybe take photographs. And there's something I'd like to show you later in a few minutes time. So let's enjoy the view, the people, and let's tell guys there's lots of stuff to observe here. I think this one they can sell in Singapore. I don't see anyone play that. So the tourist buses are the one, the red color one. And then there are restaurants on both sides of the street. And also some cafes and hotels. Saigon Chill. And people playing the shuttlecock game called the Da Gao, you know. And you can see at the benches there. There's security as well. Circle K convenience store. And the Mai Cha, which is our bubble tea, VPT. some China restaurants, Kimdo Royal Hotel, and McDonald's at the corner. The only thing we are scared, people are scared on the Nguyen walking street is what? No? I give you 3 seconds, you know the answer, right? 1, 2, 3. The answer is if it's raining heavily, then that's it, man. Either you don't come here or you carry an umbrella. You know, there's one year, the Tet, Vietnamese New Year, right? That night was pouring super heavily. If you carry umbrella, you are still soaked. But I was brave enough. I carried umbrella and I did the video. It's the event was here this year, right here, the Nguyen walking street. Another hotel, Oscar, Saigon, and that building is the Sangwa Tower. I just want to show you guys one building which is in front. Where is it? Oh, about 100 meters more. It's called the Cafe Apartment, and it's free entry. You can go up. Basically, there are 9 floors of cafes and some residential units. People stay there. There are also like street food Vietnam, broken rice, banh mi, and pho noodles. I wonder how much it's selling. Maybe one is 10,000. That's an okay doing. I think this game is safer than the kite one. Last year they have a kite flying game. I mean the playing of the kite, and then the string is, if your hand entangled with the string, it can hurt. No? And the guy wearing pink color uniform is also security here. He maintains the peace and order. Hey, there's going to be some kind of exhibition soon. Look at this lipstick. Maybe this week, maybe tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, I will come back. My hotel is in District 1, so it takes about 5 minutes to come here by motorbike. I think it's a very popular photo spot, but do you know what the people are doing? I'm taking photos of like that one, the 3D image. I think it's not attractive to me, for me. I think there's a skincare product fair tomorrow. I saw Dove already. And this is the building, the Cafe Apartment, 9 floors of pure coffee breeze. And behind is the Times Square. What's a motorbike park here? Normally they are not parked here. No? It's actually illegal unless they have the permit to do so. They are the contractors here. Maybe they are the staff working here, so okay. So, hope you guys enjoyed the tour on the Nguyen walking street today. You know, if you're hungry, right, you can just pop in to any of the... Oh, the girl want to shoot me, right? City tour. If you're hungry or thirsty, there are so many options here. From like McDonald's, and then the Highlands coffee, the local Vietnamese coffee, and then restaurants. And maybe I'll consider to stay here, the hotel, the next time. Or maybe next week. I'm still not sure when I return to Singapore, but I have some stuff to do here. It's unfinished business as of now. And the other side, right, there's a UOB bank. Maybe you can withdraw your money, Vietnam Dong, if you have a UOB card, be it from Singapore or Thailand or Malaysia. And the other side, Saigon Garden is actually what you call it, a restaurant area also. And let's have some like disco and pub, and there's a Psycho Queens 4-star hotel and Harbourview Tower. Sangwa Tower, very tall. So if you guys enjoy the video, give a like, share and subscribe so more can find video. Thanks, man. I'll see you guys again in the next one. Take care everybody, and bye bye. Oh, by the way, the Cafe Apartment is free to go up, but if you want to take the elevator, it's 3,500 dong. I think it's worth it because if you walk up, it's tired. If you go down, it's okay. But then the thing is, the escalator takes a long time, so it's up to you guys. Alright, guys, bye bye.